Sopas Macaroni Soup by French Sheet Menu. Here are the ingredients. Elbow Macaroni Pasta, assorted vegetables, chicken meat, eggs, hot dogs, evaporated milk, garlic, onion, salt, ground pepper, onion chives, chicken cubes, and cooking oil. First, add 4 cups of water into a pot. Add a pinch of salt and 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Wait until the water boils and add the macaroni pasta. Thoroughly mix the pasta so that it won't stick together. Drain the pasta using a strainer. On a separate pot, put some cooking oil. Add 3 cloves of garlic, 1 piece of onion, chicken meat, vegetables, six pieces of hot dogs, 1 can of evaporated milk, two bowls of water, and mix thoroughly. Season it with salt and black pepper. You can also add chicken cubes. Then add the cooked pasta, vegetables, and lastly, 2 pieces of eggs. Serve immediately. Thank you for watching!